Today, I'm going to show you how to fix X.com or Twitter error 113 quickly and safely. This error can happen when the site has trouble connecting, when your browser has stored bad data, or when your network is being flagged. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes by following a few simple steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, try logging in through your browser if you're not already doing that. Open Chrome, Edge, Safari, or whatever browser you normally use, then go to x.com and try signing in from there. Sometimes the app may show error 113, but the browser works just fine, so this is a good first test. If that does not solve it, the next thing to try is switching your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and log in using your mobile data instead. If you're already on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and try again. This helps because error 113 can sometimes be caused by your network, your IP address, or a temporary connection issue. A simple network change can often get you back in without any deeper troubleshooting. Next, clear your browser's cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. From there, make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected, then clear them. Old cookies and cached files can cause login problems, and clearing them forces the browser to load a fresh version of the site. After that, try signing in to x.com again. If you still see the error, check whether you have a VPN turned on. If there is any VPN active, disable it completely and try logging in again. VPNs can sometimes trigger security blocks or make x.com think your connection is unusual, which can lead to error 113. Once the VPN is off, refresh the page and test the login one more time. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the issue right away. Start with browser login, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear cookies and cache, and disable any VPN. If you go through those steps in order, you should have a much better chance of getting back into x.com without the error stopping you. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.